Staying on football, Harbour FC will go in search of their first win in 74 days when they host Mount Pleasant FA on Thursday in the Jamaica Premier League.
The number 12 symbolizes completeness, perfection, divine authority, and cosmic order across many cultures and religions. But for Harbour FC, they will hope it means 3 points as they host Mount Pleasant FA in a rescheduled game in the Reign FA Jamaica Premier League on Thursday at the compound. The Stars of the East will hope that recently appointed head coach Lenworth Teacher Hyde has a skill in numerology and the number 12 becomes their turning point. The significance? The Stars of the East are now winless in their last 12 games. Not only that, but a loss against the Caribbean Cup champions would mark a 12th defeat for the season. The good thing, however, is that the last time Mount Pleasant visited the compound, the team from St. Anne were on a record 12-game winning run, but it ended in a 1-2 scoreline, 2-1 in favor of the hosts. For Hyde, the numbers don't matter if the players are not mentally ready.
Well, we have to keep talking to them and not on the pitch, you know. We have to get their mindset. Some of them are despondent now. When you lose, you see how the group looks today. We don't like to be in this mood. So as a coach, you have to try to find ways to motivate them, you know. Mentally, I think it's a mental problem. When you're in a situation this, you're playing and you're thinking about the score, you're thinking about where we are, and then you forget to do the things on the pitch. That will make you win, you know. So that, I think, is a part of the problem. We are thinking too much of the situation and not thinking about the system of play.
For coach of Mount Pleasant, Theodore Whitmore, Harbourview are a bit of an unknown, as this will be the first meeting between the two teams in more than 9 months.
Well, again, it's a team that we haven't played all season, so, you know, again, a new coach just like Dumble Olin. New in a sense that Lenny Hyde is no stranger to the league, and we know a Teacher Hyde. But it would be a good matchup. So, again, as I said before, we don't know how that will plan out, but we'll be ready.
A point for Mount Pleasant would see them move to second on the table, 5 points behind leaders Montego Bay United with a game in hand. 3 points for Harbourview would see them move to within 3 points of the team above them in 12th place.